In this video, Integration by Parts Part 11 is brought to you by VGuide TV. This is Integration Part 11. So this is a very important and very important video of integration, and this is integration by parts. This is the most useful method of integration. In the previous video, I explained with integral of u v dash x dx. But this is simple. No need of thinking a lot and all. Very simple. Integral of u v dx. That is u into integral of v dx minus integral of d by dx of u into integral of v dx of dx. Very simple. There are two functions, u of x and v of x, uv. Okay. So what we are doing is first term into integral of the second term minus integral of derivative of the first term into integral of the second term dx. Okay, clear? What is the equation? Equation you remember. I told you this is the very important equation. Now, I'll explain with the help of question. Integral of x cos x dx. Integral of x cos x dx. I can take x as u and cos x as v. Apply the formula. That's all. Simple thing. U into, that is x into, integral of v cos x dx minus integral of d by dx of u. What is d by dx of x? 1. This is 1. Into integral of v of x. That is integral of cos x dx of the whole dx. This dx is for this integral. This dx is for this whole integral. X into, what is integral of cos x? Sin x minus integral of, what is integral of cos x? Sin x dx. So the next term, x sin x plus cos x, because here x sin x minus integral of sin x. What is integral of sin x? Minus cos x. I should write it here. Integral of sin x is, sin x dx is minus cos x. That minus and this minus get cancelled. But integral of cos x dx is, there is no minus, it is sin x plus c. Okay. So I am just writing this one as integral of sin x as minus cos x, minus get cancelled, and we will get plus cos x plus c. It's a very short way to find a question. Now see the next question. Integral of x square sin x dx. Integral of x square sin x dx. So this is in the form of integral of uv dx. What is integral of uv dx? U into integral of v dx minus integral of d by dx of u into integral of v dx of dx, right? So here u is your x square and this is your v. So it is x square into integral of sin x minus integral of d by dx of u x square into integral of v dx, integral of sin x dx of dx. Next is simple. Integral of sin x, I told you in the previous step, minus cos x. So it is minus x square cos x plus integral of, what is d by dx of x square? 2x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. That minus and this minus will become plus. So we can write integral of 2x cos x dx. We can write here plus c. Okay. Next step. Minus x square cos x plus. If you check this one, again you see it's in the form of uv rule, x into cos x. Again it's in the form of product rule. So what we should do is, I have taken the 2 out and again I am using u and v again. So u into x into integral of cos dx minus integral of d by dx of x into integral of cos x dx of whole dx. Now minus x square cos x, there is no change, plus 2 we write it like that only. X into, what is integral of cos x? Sin x. So x sin x minus integral of dx by dx is 1. Integral of cos x is sin x. So it is integral of this full answer. What is answer of this one? Sin x, this dx plus c. Next step, minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus, what is integral of sin x? Minus cos x. That minus and this minus will become plus. Clear? It's a very important sum. Okay, I told you in the previous video, very good questions only in this video. See here, we are doing integration product rule 2 times. We'll do it again. So x square, integral of x square sin x dx. I use UV rule. So u is x square, v is sin x. So x square into integral of sin x dx minus integral of d by dx of x square into integral of sin x dx of dx. D by dx of x square is 2x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x, minus minus will become plus. So we get this. But in your answer, again this is in the form of a integral of x cos x. Again integration by parts. So it means we are taking x as u and cos x as v again. So here in this bracket again we did integration by parts, that is u into integral of cos x dx minus integral of d by dx of x integral of cos x dx of dx. Now minus x square cos x plus 2 into x cos x integral is sin x minus integral of 1 into cos x is sin x dx. Right, this full is sin x and this integral is this integral changes as this only, this integral. This full changes to sin x. This is the dx plus c. So we can write minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x. And this integral of sin x we can write minus cos x. That minus and minus will become plus 2 cos x plus c. Okay. Now see the next question. X log x dx. I did the same question in the previous video also, but now we are using the formula. Which formula? I'll tell it again. Integral of uv dx. That is u into integral of v dx minus integral of d by dx of u into integral of v dx. Check it here. So the first term uv. So first term here you remember x log x. So first term we are taking this as u and this is v. Okay, u v. So I can take here as log x into integral of x dx minus integral of d by dx of log x into integral of x dx of dx. So if you check it here, log x into integral of x dx is x square by 2 minus d by dx of log x is 1 by x into this integral will come as x square by 2 dx. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. Integral of x dx is x square by 2 dx. 1 x cancel. So log x into x square by 2 minus integral of x by 2 dx. X square by 2 log x minus this integral of x dx, again we can write x square by 2. That 2 and these 2 multiplied, it become x square by 4 plus c. Clear? So we got the same answer only. We got the same answer.